Hello students, after completing exercise 2b, we have here exercise 2c. First question, let us go through. 1. 3 by 5 of a rod is to be resurfaced. If the rod is 3 by 5 kilometer long, what length in kilometer is to be resurfaced? Here the total distance of rod is given as 3 by 5 kilometer. Out of 3 by 5 kilometer, 3 by 5 is to be resurfaced. Therefore, what is the length in kilometer is to be resurfaced? So certainly we get the length of kilometer in rod to be resurfaced is equal to 3 by 5 into this. Multiply, you will get your answer. Okay. Our solution goes like this. I have solved for you. Here it is. 1. Solution. Part of rod is to be resurfaced is equal to 3 by 5. Secondly, given length of rod 3 by 5 kilometer. Therefore, length of rod is to be resurfaced is equal to 3 by 5 of 3 by 5 kilometer, which is equal to 3 by 5 of means into 3 by 5. After converting into improper fraction, we get 13 by 5, which is equal to, by multiplying numerators we get 39, by multiplying denominators we get 25, that is 39 by 25. Since it is improper fraction, we need to convert this one to mixed fraction, and we get this one as 14 by 25. So our answer is this. Okay. Next, second question, let us go through. Here the question goes like this. We see 2. You spent 1 by 2 hours on homework last night, and 1 by 4 of the time was spent on mathematics. What fraction of an hour did you spend on mathematics? So total time spent on homework is given as 1 by 2 hours. And out of 1 by 2 hours, time spent on subject mathematics is given as 1 by 4. 1 by 4 of this total time, that is 1 by 2 hours. We are asked to find out here the fraction of an hour I spend on mathematics. So to get this, we need to multiply, that is 1 by 4 into 1 by 2. Okay. So here also our answer goes like this. You see, time spent on homework is equal to 1 by 2. So this is the total time spent on homework. Again, part of time spent on mathematics is equal to 1 by 4. Therefore, fraction of an hour spent on mathematics is equal to 1 by 4 of 1 by 2. That is 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 4 into 3 by 4. After converting 1 by 2 we got, and then which is equal to 3 by 8 hour. Okay. Next question number 3. The cost of 1 liter petrol is rupees 42 4 by 7. What is the cost of 10 1 by 2 liters of petrol? This one you can do as homework. Here it is given, cost of 1 liter of petrol 42 rupees for 42 4 by 7. Therefore, cost of 10 1 by 2 liters of petrol is equal to, multiply this amount by 10 1 by 2. You will get your answer. Okay. Next question, question number 4. After covering 3 by 4 of my journey, I find that 15 kilometers is still left. How much distance is the total journey? See, fraction of distance covered is given as 3 by 4. Again, distance left to cover is 15 kilometer. We are asked to find out the distance. How much distance is the total journey? So total journey we need to find out. So here, since covering distance is given in fraction, so let us also find the remaining distance in fraction. After finding the remaining distance in fraction, we can find out the total distance. Our answer goes like this. Here we see 4 number. Let us assume, okay, here the whole is assumed as 1. The fraction of total distance covered is equal to 3 by 4. A fraction of total distance left is equal to, we get the distance left to cover by subtracting 3 by 4 from 1, since 1 is considered as total in terms of fraction. So after subtracting, we got here 1 by 4. By subtracting 3 by 4 from 1, we get 1 by 4. So now we can conclude that 15 kilometers, since it is already still left to cover and the fraction of distance left is 1 by 4, therefore 1 by 4 of the total distance is equal to 15 kilometer. Therefore total distance is equal to 15. This 1 by 4, when we carry to other side, we need to divide. That is 15 divided by 1 by 4 is equal to 15 into, when I multiplied, reciprocal of 1 by 4 is taken, that is 4. That is 15 into 4 is equal to 60 kilometer. Okay. Yes. Next, number 5. Question is, in a school 4 by 9 of the students are boys and the number of girls is 775. Find the number of boys in this school. Fraction of boys is given as 4 by 9 and the number of girls is given. We are asked to find out the number of boys. So let us proceed ahead. Here we get, since the fraction of boys is given, let us also find the fraction of girls. And we can compare the fraction of boys and number of girls. Fraction of girls and number of girls, and we will get the number of total students. When we get the number of total students, we can find out easily the number of boys in a school. So our answer is this way. Here we see whole is assumed as 1, whole fraction, that is assumed as 1. Fraction of students are boys is equal to 4 by 9. Fraction of girls is not given, therefore we need to find the fraction of girls. We get fraction of girls by subtracting fraction of boys from 1. That is 1 minus 4 by 9 is equal to, we got 5 by 9. Again, number of girls is given as 775. So 5 by 9 of total student will be equal to 775. That is 5 by 9 of total students, 775. This is the number of girls and 5 by 9 is the fraction of girls. Therefore total student is equal to 775 by 5 by 9. When it is carried to other side, we need to divide. After dividing, I have taken the reciprocal of 5 by 9. I got 9 by 5. I multiplied and I got, it is this one as 1395. 1395. Here your answer is. So therefore number of boys, this is not our exact answer, this is the total students only. We are asked to find out in the question what is the number of boys. Find the number of boys. Therefore number of boys is equal to 4 by 9 of total student, that is 4 by 9 into 1395, which is equal to 620 we got. Okay. Yes. Next question, question number 6. A tank is 3 by 5 full of water. 50 liters more are required to fill it up. How many liters can the tank hold? This is the question asked here. 3 by 5 of tank is filled with water and 50 liters more are required to fill it up. We are asked to find out the capacity of the tank. So fraction of tank filled with water is given. Let us also find the fraction of tank that is not filled with the water. So we get that by subtracting 3 by 5 from 1. Our answer is like this. We see part of tank filled with water is equal to 3 by 5. So remaining part of tank to be filled with water, or part of tank that is not filled with water, okay, is equal to 1 minus 3 by 5, which is equal to 5 minus 3 by 5 is equal to 2 by 5. So since 50 more liters are required to fill the tank, therefore we say remaining part or the remaining fraction is 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 of tank is equal to 50 liters, that is 2 by 5 of tank hold 50 liters. Therefore capacity of the tank is equal to 50 divided by 2 by 5, that is this 2 by 5 carry to other side. We need to divide, and then here it is taken reciprocal and we got this one as 125. Okay, clear. Next, number 7. Question is, a sum of money was divided between Rajiv and Ashish, so that Rajiv gets 7 by 19 of the whole amount. If he gets rupees 5,600, how much was the total sum? Here the total money was divided among Rajiv and Ashish. Fraction of money Rajiv got, or the part of whole amount Rajiv got, is equal to 7 by 19, and the amount he got is given as 5,600 rupees. So we are asked to find out the total sum. So this and this, it is the fraction of money he get is given and total amount he got is also given. Therefore we can find this answer very easily. Here our answer is part of whole amount Rajiv gets is equal to 7 by 19. Part of whole amount Rajiv gets is equal to 7 by 19. Amount of money he get is given as 5,600. So 7 by 19 of whole amount is equal to rupees 5,600. Therefore the total sum or the whole amount or the total amount is equal to rupees 5,600 divided by 7 by 19, which is equal to 5600 into 19 by 7. When I multiplied, I have taken the reciprocal of 7 by 19 as 19 by 7, which is equal to 15,200. Okay, yes. Next, number 8. Question is, Mr. Joshi bequeathed 1/3 of his money to his son, 1/5 to his daughter, and the remaining to his wife, who got rupees 42,000. What was the total amount here? Fraction of money son got is given as 1 by 3. Again, fraction or the part of money daughter got is also given. Whole we can assume as 1, and the remaining to his wife means part of money wife got will be equal to the sum of these two, that is 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 and 1 by 5 will be subtracted from 1, and we get that as a fraction of money wife got, and amount of money wife got is also given. Therefore total amount will be equal to, we are asked to find the total amount, we can find this way, that is part of whole amount Rajiv get, or fraction of money Rajiv got, is equal to 7 by 19. Amount of money he gets is equal to, sorry, this is not our answer, sorry, our answer is from 8 number. Okay, part of money son got is equal to 1 by 3. Again, part of money daughter got is given as 1 by 5. Therefore part of money wife get is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5, which is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5. After subtracting, when I remove the bracket, this plus becomes minus here, and then by taking the LCM of the denominators, I got here as 15 minus 5 minus 3 by 15, which is equal to 7 by 15. So amount of money wife got is equal to rupees 42,000. Amount of money wife got is given as 42,000. Here it is 42,000. Again, fraction of money wife got is given as, we got as 7 by 15. So 7 by 15 of total amount is 42,000. Okay, by taking the relation between these two, we can find the total amount. Here it is. We see 7 by 15 of total amount is equal to 7 by 15 of total amount is equal to rupees 42,000. Therefore, total amount is equal to 42,000 into 15 by 7 is equal to rupees 90,000. Okay. Next, number 9. Question: a boy spent 3 by 4 of his pocket money, and then 4 by 5 of the remainder is given to his sister. If he has rupees 40 left, what did he have it first? 9 number. Part of pocket money a boy spent is given as 3 by 4. Okay. And 4 by 5 of the remainder. So remainder fraction, this is not the fraction of money sister got, but the sister got 4 by 5 of the remainder. So remainder amount we have to find out, and then 4 by 5 of the remainder will be multiplied and we get the fraction of money sister got. Okay. So here it is, remaining part is equal to 1 minus 3 by 4 is equal to 4 minus 3 by 4 is equal to 1 by 4. So part of pocket money he gave to sister is equal to 4 by 5 into 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 5. Again, part of pocket money left is equal to 1 minus, within bracket we have 3 by 4 plus 1 by 5, which is equal to, when I remove the bracket I got 1 minus 3 by 4 minus 1 by 5, which is equal to 20 minus 15 minus 4 by 20 is equal to 1 by 20. So amount left with the boy is equal to 40 rupees. This is given in the question. So 1 by 20 of the pocket money is equal to rupees 40. Therefore amount he have at first is equal to rupees 40 divided by 1 by 20, which is equal to 40 divided by 1 by 20 is equal to 40 into 20 by 1 is equal to rupees 800. Okay. Next, number 10. Question is, a magazine has 60 pages, of which 7 by 12 are for advertising. 4 by 15 have only photographs on them, and the rest are for the articles and stories. How many pages have articles and stories on them? Okay, total number of pages a magazine has 60. Fraction of pages having advertising. Fraction of pages for advertising is given as 7 by 12. Fraction of pages having photograph is 4 by 15. Rest are articles and stories. So we have to find out the fraction of pages having articles and stories, and then finally we can find out the number of pages having articles and stories on them. So our answer is number of pages a magazine has 60. Part of pages for advertising is 7 by 12. It is given in the text. This one also given in the text. And part of pages having photograph is also given 4 by 20. Therefore, or so, part of pages having articles and stories is equal to 1 minus 7 by 12 plus 1 by 15 is equal to 1 minus 7 by 12 minus 4 by 15 is equal to 60 minus 35 minus 16 by 60, which is equal to 9 by 60 is equal to 3 by 20 after cancelling. Therefore, number of pages having articles and stories is equal to 3 by 20 into 60, which is equal to 9 pages. Okay. 11 number. will be your homework. Okay. Okay, bye.